Welcome to the PC Error Detective. Today, we're diving into how to uninstall Outlook on Windows, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen to open the Start menu. Once there, navigate to and select Settings, which will open a new window filled with various customization options for your system. In the Settings window, proceed by clicking on Apps. This action will display all the applications currently installed on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Outlook. Once you've located it, click on it to expand your options. Now you'll see an Uninstall button. Click on this to initiate the removal process of Microsoft Outlook from your system. You may encounter additional prompts or instructions. Follow these carefully to complete the uninstallation. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.